Welcome to the Totally Honest Cookie Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing a bean salad. It's back to school time and I'm a teacher and I need lunches. Also, I got this recipe from a reel on social media. We're starting with a can of chickpeas and a can of black beans. We're going to drain and rinse. Then we're going to dump them in a bowl. Pretty simple, right? Pretty easy. Now I've got 2 cucumbers. I'm starting by cutting them in half. Now this is absolutely up to your preference. I don't like to leave the seeds in because they just make everything wet. Remnants of cucumbers face down on the cutting board. Just drawing a slit. So I definitely should have cut those in 2 first, but that's okay. Simple mistakes. Salad is not really my forte. If you've seen the rest of the episodes of this show, salad is rare around here, which is why I'm trying to make more of it. Next up, cherry tomatoes. Just cut them in half. We're going to take a stir break. If you wind up with big honking cucumbers like mine, don't use 2, use 1. Because this is too many cucumbers, but I'm fine with that because I like cucumbers. Okay, the rest of this is to taste. I've got some Kalamata olives because I love Kalamata olives. Kalamata olives are my favorite olive. Next up, banana peppers. I got the mild because I am a wuss. Don't forget to stir. I like to stir between steps because it makes sure that everything incorporates. You can use mozzarella or feta for this. I got this big block of feta, so I'm just breaking it up, crumble it over the top. Give yourself as much as you want. You could also dole this out into whatever containers you're going to do lunches in, and then cheese the containers. That way you get as much cheese as you want. You know, I like the cheese. We now have a week's worth of bean salad that is so much more than bean salad. But what can we put on it? Half a cup of red wine vinegar. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Some of this banana pepper juice. Giant heaping blob of Dijon mustard. We'll say that's 2 tablespoons. If I intended this to just be a salad dressing, I would probably add a little salt or something like that. But there's so much salt in there from the Kalamata olives and the feta that I'm not going to do that. Now I'm just going to pour it over the top. Mix it up again. Oh no, that's already perfumed in there. I don't need to mix it up again. Awesome sauce. Last thing I'm doing is adding some parsley. This will add a little herbaceousness. I thought about just throwing it on the top inside the little bowls that I make myself, but instead I'm just going to throw it in here and do a quick mix and call it a day. And if you're not actively recording a cooking show, this should come together pretty quickly. Look at that. Pretty good. Lunches for days. I'm going to finish my lunch prep. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.